Here's how to add a target line to your Google Sheets chart. It's a really handy trick if you want to show a specific goal or benchmark visually, and it's actually pretty straightforward. Let me show you how to do it. First off, you need to add a new column right in your sheet just for that target value. Call it something like target or goal line. Then, in every single row of that new column, type in the exact same number where you want the line to sit. So, if you want your target line at 50, just plop that number 50 into every cell down that whole column. Once that's done, grab all your data, making sure to include that new target column you just made. Head up to the Insert menu and pick Chart. Over on the right, in the chart editor, you'll need to change the chart type. Look for Combo Chart and select. Your regular data will show up, but now you'll also see your target value plotted as a straight line running right across the chart. That's your horizontal reference line, sitting exactly at the value you set. Want to make that line pop a bit more? Click over to the Customize tab in the chart editor. Find the series for your target line. It might be listed by the column name you use, and you can play around with how it looks. Change the color, make it thicker, or pick a different line style, whatever makes it stand out clearly against your other data. Here's the really neat part. If you ever need to change that target value later on, maybe because your goal shifts, you only need to update the number in that one target column. The line on your chart will move all by itself to match the new number instantly. How cool is that? It's a super simple way to keep track of goals, averages, or any benchmark right alongside your actual data. And that's all there is to it. You've now got a clean professional target line on your chart, making your data way easier to understand at a glance. If this was useful, feel free to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Drop a comment saying like too, so I know you found it helpful and I can say thanks personally. Take care.